on the ladder, get up it, try it for size.
That's come off. Where's that come off?
Yeah, I know. Just ignore it and don't lean on that. Brilliant. Does it feel like it wants to be back a little bit? Try holding.
Well, I can't really look up to see.
Why can you?
No, that's probably good. Do you not think? I'm not comfortable. I'll top step in a second.
Remember, there's going to be lots of noise.
Yeah, I know. Oh. Right, okay, that's awkward.
Ladder back. I think the ladder needs to come back a little.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah, so if I do go up on that last step just for the last minute,
Yeah.
then
And then we need the lid. Are you putting frames right on top after?
yeah, can do if you want to bring them over.
Where's the lid?
Well, 1B's already trying to have a look. I reckon if you just stood here long enough, they'd go to it.
Where's the lid?
Underneath those frames. You're holding it in your hands. Bees going in it already, Ash.
No, the wooden lid.
Down the land, because it got left by the thingy.
Okay.
There's bees going in it already.
Really?
That's hilarious, there's a bee in it.
Right, okay.
Would you like to come and live in this new box?
I don't know how much of a shake I'm going to be able to get on this,
Okay.
but hopefully this doesn't spook them.
Shall I get down while you're doing that?
Oh, maybe
Yeah.
go over, more leverage. No. Just be ready for a buzz. Okay, you're going to have to pull that towards you. That's... Okay. That's making the branch shake massively already,
Nice.
which is good. Really good. Don't flinch and perfect.
Right, let me just...
Ready?
There we go.
Maybe down a little bit. You ready?
Yeah.
Forward a little bit. That's it. Ready? I'm gonna go. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, good portion of them.
Yeah?
Right, but not all of them. Right, put it up again.
Right, I'm going to have to come down now.
Yeah. She might be in there, she might
may
not.
well. If they all go back up, then... Who gave me a ladder and a box of bees? Right, that way.
I might try spoon them in. Well,
Yeah.
yeah. If I can get higher.
We're just being nosy.
Hello.
That's alright.
Alright.
Yeah, we just saw you doing that, just being nosy.
It could have been really funny though, couldn't it?
It could have
It
been.
could have gone, yeah.
Shame I
Right.
can't reach them from here.
Can you...
That's the problem, if she's not there.
Do you reckon she could still be up there?
She could be, yeah.
Shall I
Just
try
check
shake the
these
rest
ones.
down on the
Yeah,
blanket?
maybe just shake them on the blanket.
Okay.
Move this out the way and...
Just
She's
watch
not
out in case. I don't trust this branch. That branch could go. So at least you know they'd all come down if the
They
branch
should.
goes.
Yeah, they should be pretty, like, non-aggressive. They've got homes.
There we
Nice, nice.
You might want to close your window.
Right, there's a ball of him in the middle.
Yeah, and there's a ball over there. There's... Oh, I thought I saw her then.
No. No.
Come away a sec.
The other thing might be to get up there with a brush.
Yeah, do we have a brush?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, they're marching.
Are they?
Yeah,
Maybe she's in there then.
yeah. Should we put the lid on and just...
I mean, yeah, maybe just close them in and... Yeah, let me put some frames in first.
There's a definite ball there.
Get that lid on.
I'm suspicious of that ball there.
Yeah, I did check them. They might all just be huddling together for a walk, but they are going that way. Take care.
Have you got a...
Thank you. So do we.
Are you... If we see them back there, should we give you a ring or something?
We'll probably see him. We only live down there, so we'll probably see him.
Do you know Craig? Teresa?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I know Craig quite well.
On here, yeah. I mean, if you see it there and like nobody's coming back to it, then yeah, by all means drop him a message and tell him to message Ashley. Yeah, he'll know Ashley. So yeah, I mean he's probably going to say it for a bit anyway, just check that they start going in, but just saves them being stuck in somebody's chimney in a couple of hours.
They don't connect to you.
No, they shouldn't be.
Well, I wouldn't want to get to bed.
No, I mean, no, they shouldn't be because they're it's only when they're food and all their stores of food to protect, that's when they get aggressive. So theoretically, yeah, I still wouldn't have boosted under any without a boosting on.
Is there a chance that they haven't got a clue that they're trying to get a new one?
No, because they'd normally stay in the hive. If they haven't got food and they've got a home,